Hey friends, it's Melanie. Welcome back to another candle review. Surprise, we're doing like a totally random candle. This is not a Homeworks, it's not a Kringle, it's not a Bath & Body Works, it is not something that I found at HomeGoods, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx. I actually ordered this from the Mrs. Meyer's website. I am a very loyal devotee of the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products for my kitchen. Sometimes I'll switch it up with some Scentsy cleaning products, which I also love, by the way. But Mrs. Meyer's has kind of been my go-to for years, and especially when they come out with the limited edition holiday scents. I think a lot of people love the Iowa Pine. However, this girl here is a orange and clove fanatic. You guys know how I feel about pomander scents, and I've been using the orange and clove for a number of years. So usually when it's released on the website every year, I buy 3 of the dish soaps, 3 of the counter sprays. This year I also picked up the room freshener that's available in this particular scent, and obviously the candle. Now I did get 2 of the candles. I think they retail for, I think they were like $10.99, and oh, I should have probably looked before. So it says a 35-hour burn time. Pardon me as I lift this up. How many ounces is this? 7.2 ounces. There we go. All right, I gotta put this bad boy down. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it this way because we are gonna read the fragrance notes. They're listed right there. You can see we've got a little bit of a wonky burn here. This is a soy formula, and she is definitely struggling a little bit on this one side here. What I think I'm gonna do after I'm done with this video is pop this underneath my candle lamp, and that is going to melt that wax on the side and give me an opportunity to even it out again. So this is another reason why I say have a candle lamp in your home fragrance arsenal, because it definitely can help with issues like this. So I am for sure though past the halfway point, so I want to review this for you. I didn't have insane expectations from this in terms of strength and throw. I'm going to be honest. It's a 1 wick. It's a soy, and yeah, it doesn't have a huge surface area, but this is a fantastic type of candle for the smaller rooms in your house, like your bathrooms, or to put by your kitchen sink to enjoy when you are doing all of the holiday dishes that somehow we always get stuck with, right? So yeah, I wouldn't purchase this with the expectation that it's gonna fragrance your entire house. It's not. It does incredibly well in my downstairs powder room. And I actually picked up 2 of these because I figured, you know, while I'm at it, I have never found these at my local Target. I find the fall candles at my local Target, but for some reason the holiday scents, they never get the candles in. So, but definitely do check your local Target stores because they should be starting to get in a lot of their holiday stock at this point. And this line is sold there every single year. I just purchase it directly from the website because I can get it sooner, and I'm guaranteed to be able to find it. Sometimes the stock that they get at the local Target store, at least mine, sells through very quickly. And so, you know, it's just easier for me to order. It's free shipping anyway after like, I think $30 or $35. And I definitely meet that minimum with the amount that I purchased. So anyway, let's get into the fragrance. It's pretty basic. The fragrance notes, which are listed on right on the top there, read, whole oranges embellished with cloves create a warm and spicy citrus scent. You guys, there is nothing exotic to talk about here. It is a fresh orange and clove scent. The end. If you've ever used the cleaning products, the candle smells exactly the same way. I will say the clove smells very warm and not overly spicy, and the orange is very fresh. And just really super pleasant. It smells like a clean orange scent without coming across with like those potential like Pine Sol vibes. It's a very interesting cleaning product fragrance, I guess, because it just smells so good. Like that's the reason why I finally picked up the candles online, is because I love it when I use the counter spray. It makes me so happy to smell it. And I usually start using this particular scent in October. So that's why I get the 3 bottles every year. I use this during the month of October, November, and December. And just based on usage in the past, I know that I go through a bottle of the dish soap a month, and I go through a bottle of the Counter Clean a month. Sometimes I go through the Counter Clean a little bit faster because, well, I have a 10-year-old. And this girl makes a mess when she is making her snacks, and so the counter spray is usually frequently used in my house. So I tend to go through that a little bit faster. I should probably actually buy 4 bottles of the counter spray, but maybe I can find another one in store. At any rate, you guys, this is not a candle that I think that you should necessarily go out of your way to pick up. I just wanted to share my experience with it because I have loved this particular fragrance in their cleaning line for so long, and I think it's a great one to pop into a bathroom during the holidays. Obviously, if you are a Pomander girl or boy or whatever yourself, this would be a great one to have on hand over the course of the next couple of months. So let me know what your favorite scent is from the Mrs. Meyer's, either for holiday or for year-round, down below in the comments. I will link this on the Mrs. Meyer's website, but like I said, check out your local Target. They might actually have it in stock there. So thanks so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.